Dr. Roberto Bolli, and again, Roberto, one of our very, very first Bucks for Brains professors, is an international leader whose work is focused on the innovative concept of using the heart's own stem cells to repair itself when it's damaged. One of the difficulties has been that Dr. Bolli's work has been limited by his ability to locally grow a patient's cardiac stem cells. And this requires something that we haven't had, and that's an FDA-compliant facility to adhere to rigorous standards referred to as the current good manufacturing practices. So today we're here to announce that our partner, kind of a new partner, but an old partner in many ways, the Jewish Heritage Fund for Excellence, is stepping forward once again, and as a new entity. We had a wonderful press announcement on our Belknap campus a few weeks ago about funding for a chair in Judaic studies. And so again, the Jewish Heritage Foundation is stepping forward with a $2 million gift so that Dr. Bolli is able to purchase the equipment and renovate the space necessary to establish a good manufacturing practices facility at the University of Louisville within the Institute of Molecular Cardiology.
Everybody knows Dr. Bolli's work focuses on using a person's own cardiac stem cells to help the heart repair itself. That's amazing. The other thing you should know is his work is world-renowned. Think about that for a moment. Here we are in Louisville, Kentucky, and we have a doctor who I share the podium with tonight who is world-renowned for this procedure. Our grants committee went through a rigorous process. Again, most of them are here. And it was very clear what we needed to do. So as Dr. Ramsey said, today we're announcing a $2 million gift from the Jewish Heritage Fund for Excellence to assist Dr. Bolli in purchasing and establishing a dedicated state-of-the-art, FDA-approved facility for producing various types of stem cells he needs to continue this groundbreaking work.
It really is about changing lives, because the biggest thing we can do in the field of medicine is take things from the proverbial bench to the bedside. And that's what Roberto has done over a long period of time. The concept is unique, but the application is even more unique. And the ability to have a self-contained GMP, good manufacturing process facility is absolutely mission critical. It can't be used for other things. The FDA requires that this be dedicated just to this clinical trial, but this will allow us to move beyond just FDA-approved clinical trials and into clinical practice.
And this is really a big deal. It's much more than another NIH grant. This is a momentous time for our program in cardiovascular regeneration because it gives us the one piece of the puzzle that we did not have. We have built a state-of-the-art, leading, nationally renowned program in regenerative cardiology. We have supported this with over $20 million of NIH grants, including a program project grant for $13.5 million, a COBRA led by Dr. Bhatnagar that was mostly devoted to stem cell research for $12 million, and a very prestigious grant called CCTRN, that's Cardiovascular Cell Therapy Research Network, CCTRN. It's an NIH-funded network of 7 institutions that do phase 1, phase 2 clinical trials of novel stem cell therapies. It's a very prestigious elite club. It includes places such as Stanford, Texas Heart, and we are very, very privileged and proud to be one of those 7 institutions. We have 5 more years to go on that CCTRN grant, and again, this is a clinical research network. So we have built all the ingredients, in addition to many other individual R01 grants, again, totaling over $20 million in NIH funds, to support our program in cardiovascular regeneration. We have an outstanding cadre of faculty, And we have conducted the CPIO, that's the phase 1 study of cardiac stem cells in patients with heart failure due to heart attacks.
There are two heroes that are here today that are really the story of what we're here today about. To me, a hero is someone who spends his life doing things that better the lives of many people. And Dr. Ramsey turned the university into this awesome research university. The health benefits that are coming from this are awesome, and will continue to come from it. But also think of the economic asset UofL is to our community and to our state. And Dr. Bolli is one of these rare people who has will and discipline. And he had this dream of having your body heal itself the way God made us. Do it naturally. My stem cells, they're my own stem cells. I don't take rejection medicine. This is just such a beautiful idea.